Hello, this is Victor at HistoryMercedes.com. This video is for Tony in Florida, and we have 1995 Mercedes SL500 Warren harness here repaired. Just want to show you the condition. Here's the part number 129540. Camera does not want to focus. It's 2630. So 129540 2630. This is a 95 unit, and this has a single oil pressure sensor connection. Some of them have dual, and this one is a single. That's fine. So I just double checked each and every wire to where they have to go according to wiring diagrams, and everything is fine. Okay, so like I said, the main cables, as I usually always leave them because they don't really have any damages, they're different insulation. Along with the starter, the actual starter cable, this is a Bendix wire. This has rubber insulation, so this is good. The low ones go bad, yes, so these are the ones I replaced. So the low eye was missing, so I put another eye. This is the part of the alternator, so here's the bolt, so we can just see if perfect fit right here. So it's crimped and soldered together. Under this heat shrink wrap here is a new cable. I just wanted to differentiate them a little bit, just to make them look a little different. Main connector, of course. Original sheeting was preserved, so it looks factory when you reinstall it. Yes, on the bottom you will have different colors, but that's fine. That's what it is. The alternator cable was left a little longer, just slightly, because as you can see, you got the alternator, right? So you got the main positive, plus you got the actual activation cable, so they're a little off. So anyway, that's fine, it's just cosmetics. Now this connector broke apart, they're no longer available, so unfortunately you cannot just buy new ones, so I plastic welded it together. Okay, and I'm going to smudge some silicone around it. It's a common problem, and like I said, they're no longer produced, so you can find them. Here's your oil pressure sensor connector, which I might also maybe put a smudge of silicone all over the body here, just to make it look a little sort of sealed. It does not really matter, to be honest. Nothing is going to corrode or rust. It can be even exposed to elements completely. It's not going to hurt it, because the wires are great, and the aluminum pins, they don't rust. So that's a good thing. Okay, so I know you wanted this harness really fast, and today is Saturday, and I woke up in the morning and went to work on it right away, so we have it done. It's Saturday noon time right now, so yeah, maybe I'll be able to make it to post office. I'll give you a call, we'll talk about it, and then I might be able to even pack it up and mail it today. So it's a very quick turnaround based on my schedule. This is extremely quick because I got so much parts and cars and everything going for me. Okay, so yeah, we'll call it quits. So this harness is ready. Like I said, I'm gonna just smudge some silicone around while it would be in USPS possession for shipping. It's definitely gonna cure, and everything is gonna be just fine. All right, so this is all. This is Victor at HistoryMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.